Right, Big Daddy Gula, here to show you what to do with garlic. No, we're not doing Big Daddy Gula, nope. Chef Gula, me, here to show you what to do with garlic. My #1 chef tip. I use this every day when I'm cooking, every day when I'm prepping, whether it's hummus, whether I'm marinating meat, you name it. It's got so many uses. Check it out. I'm not gonna throw my knife because, well, this knife's expensive and I'm not that rich to be throwing knives and damaging them. So we're gonna begin by taking 350 milliliters of a good quality extra virgin olive oil and placing that into a blender. Following that, we're gonna take our garlic peeled, and I've taken the roots off from these as well. I've got about 15 to 20 pieces here. Following that, I'm gonna add in 250 mils of just regular plain olive oil. We're gonna pop the lid on the blender and then blend it for about 1 minute until all those garlic pieces have become really nice and fine. I don't want any big chunks in there, I want it super smooth. After you're done making your garlic smoothie, we're gonna season it with some good sea salt, about 2 tablespoons or 2 big pinches, whatever you prefer, and then just blend away for about 30 seconds. Once you've done the second blend, we're gonna go in with 150 mils of lemon juice, and then we're gonna stir this with a spoon. We're not gonna blend this, otherwise it will really thicken up and become really gloopy, and you don't want that. Then all that's left to do is just pour it in a nice container, pop it in your fridge, and you have garlic for months on end. Right, so there you have my #1 chef tip on what to do with garlic. I use this every day when I'm prepping, whether I'm marinating fish, meat, whether I just fancy a bit of toast, whether I'm topping up a pizza with it. Dips, hummus, melanzane, tzatziki. The limit for this is endless. You can use it every day when you're cooking with whatever, pretty much. It's gonna be so good. Plus, I didn't get my hands dirty. My hands do not stink of garlic. So easy to do, and it lasts ages in the fridge. So give it a try, let me know. Thanks for watching.